दिल्ली में 4 मई को शरद पवार की रिहायशगाह पर अपोजिशन अलायंस इंडिया की कोऑर्डिनेशन कमेटी की पहली मीटिंग हुई। मीटिंग के बाद कांग्रेस कायद केसी वेणुगोपाल ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की। उन्होंने बताया कि हमने मुल्क के अलग अलग रियासतों में रैलियां करने का फैसला किया है। पहली रैली अक्टूबर के पहले हफ्ते में भोपाल में होगी।
Today at the Sharad Pawar ji's residence and attended by 12 member parties. Sri Abhishek Banerjee of All India Trinamool Congress could not attend the meeting due to the summon by Enforcement Directorate arising out of the vendetta politics of Bharatiya Janata Party and the Prime Minister. The Coordination Committee decided to start the process for determining the seat sharing. It was decided that the member parties will hold the talks and decide at the earliest. The committee decided to hold joint public meetings in different parts of the country. The first public meeting will be held at Bhopal in the first week of October in the issue of rising prices, unemployment and corruption of BJP government. The parties present in the meeting agreed to take up the issue of caste census. The Coordination Committee authorized the subgroup of media to decide upon the names of the anchors on whose shores none of the India parties will send their representatives. These are the meeting was held today at the Sharad Pawar ji's residence and attended by 12 member parties.